Well guys, I'm all loaded up, ready to leave Pokhara. Had an amazing time here, but I'm going to Johnson today and hopefully I can get there. It's right up in the mountains. Quite a few people have told me it's impossible during wet season, but I met a group of bikers yesterday that said no, it's very possible, especially on a bike like mine. So I'm going to try. If it doesn't work, then I'll turn around and come back, but hopefully we can get to Johnson up in the mountains today. Well guys, I knocked my helmet. You can see how I've got the helmet cam on top of the helmet. That's so I can see over the dashboard here, over the windscreen. And I've been riding through this amazing country all morning. But when I left my hotel, I knocked the GoPro on the door jamb and it came off. But I just stopped here and they had some super glue, so hopefully that'll last, but at least I'll be able to get some footage. This has just been beautiful, beautiful riding and pretty nice roads. So let's see. Well guys, this is Erwin. I was riding the other way and I saw him on a push bike. He's riding around the world on a push bike and he's hardly got any gear at all. He's doing
because I'm light. I don't just did the Annapurna tour, the circuit, and because I have some more stuff in Kathmandu.
Oh, okay, so that explains that the rest of his stuff's in Kathmandu. But we're just about to head off in different directions, so good on you, mate.
Yeah, have a good trip.
I'm glad I turned around and said hello, made a new friend. Okay, so Erwin just told me to get to Romsum, where I'm heading. You're meant to have permits, but he said the first permit check is at Romsum. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to get up to the town up the road here, maybe stay the night, see how I feel, but I'll suss out what I need to get up into the mountains from there. Well, I just spoke to the police in that town. That's the Romsum turn-off, but he said to go this way and that I don't need a permit, so I should be alright just heading up the hill. Now I had to stop and show you this bridge, suspension bridge. These are famous all over Nepal. There's some that you can ride across, but I haven't found any of them yet, but let's go and have a look. No, I won't do the whole bridge because all my gear's sitting on the bike up there, but I will take you for a little journey. And here we are stepping onto the bridge. Now this is exactly the same as the ones you ride. So you just, everyone taking photos. Excuse me. And oh, look at this guys, just amazing. And you can't do this one on the bike, it's all blocked off at that end, but I'd happily do this. It's quite stable. Well, now I said that, I probably wouldn't. We'll see. If I get the chance, we'll see how brave I am when it comes to then. So, the next 4 hours of this, hope it's worth it. Erwin, that I was talking to before, said it was definitely worth it, so we shall see. You know what guys, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to take you to Johnson. It's going to be roads like this. I'm not sure what fuel's going to be like, but it's going to be the next 4 hours of this, and I'll go a little bit further and see how it goes. Well guys, I chickened out. I did that little bit and it just went on for ages, and it's dry now, it's not raining. If I get a bit of rain this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm stuck. So yeah, I chickened out, but that's alright guys. I promised Janet I wouldn't take any stupid risks, and that would have been maybe not a stupid risk, but it was a risk. Now if that road was going anywhere, I would have done it, but I just have to go up the hill, turn around, come back down the hill. Like I would have stayed a night or two there, but it wasn't going anywhere, so I just decided it wasn't worth the risk. So now we're going to head towards India, but it'll take us at least 3 or 4 days to get there, maybe a week. It's the main road west through Nepal, so it's not much better than what I would have ridden then, but at least this is going somewhere. That road, I just had to go there and come back, so I'm happy to do this. And look at this, guys. See if you can hear me over that water rushing like crazy. Well, I just saw a decent sized town up ahead, so I think that's where I'm going to stop today. We seem to have gone straight past that town. It must be at the other side of a river, because it's over the other side of the valley. We just went straight past it. So, and as you can see, guys, it's right there, but we didn't go anywhere near it. We've got another closed road, so really I've got no idea where I'm going now. I should be following that valley down through there, but instead I'm heading up into this mountain, so I should be following that valley in there. One more. An hour riding through the mountains and I'm back where I started. You can imagine my disappointment, but this time the guy's going to take me to where I am. These kids are laughing at me because I went so slow over the bridge. That was one of the scariest things I've ever done in my life. They're just laughing about it. Everyone else is coming across. Yeah, I'm just a sook. Now we've got to wait for these guys to clear the road. Oh, what a day, guys. That bridge really was the scariest thing I've ever done. So 2 kids followed me up the bridge. Then made sure I got to the bitumen. Turned around and gone all the way back. Just amazing. And this is the view from my $5 hotel room. Not a bad room. Oh, I'm wrecked, guys. That bridge, I thought I was turning the GoPro on when I was turning it off, but that bridge was one of the scariest things I've ever done in my life. All ready to go. This is where I stayed last night. What happy, nice people. I really liked it here. It was really basic, just a bed. I had a ball. Now it's 13 hours around to the border. That's Google Maps hours. But yesterday I rode for about 8 hours and did maybe 2 hours Google Maps time. So it's not very accurate, but I've still got over 2 weeks left on my visa, so we'll get there on time. So guys, it's maybe 8 o'clock in the morning. Look at this, just unbelievable. I'm so lucky, really. Yes please, sweet, yep. Oh, just having a cup of tea. That was 2 hours of fear and anxiety, guys, really. I'm back on the bitumen now. Oh, let's hope this lasts, because that was pretty scary coming there through those mountains. I didn't film much because I didn't want to take my hands off the handlebars to turn the helmet cam on. Scary, guys. Anyway, I'm going to have a cup of tea here and then I'll keep going. Look at this, guys. I'm pretty sure I'm out of the mountains now. I'm back on the main Kathmandu New Delhi road, so I should just be able to enjoy this countryside instead of all the stress of those roads. That was really hard, guys, I have to admit it. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy this bitumen while I can. Just amazing, guys. Incredible. Oh, what a morning, guys, really. And it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've done about 5 hours real time, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours Google Maps time. But I saw this hotel. It was only about $12 US for the night, Wi-Fi. Look at this. So I'm just going to have a lazy afternoon watching Netflix and de-stressing, because that mountain roads, guys, was... Oh, if something had happened to me, there was no other traffic. If something had happened to me, I would have been lying there with a broken leg or something for a while. So it was a little bit stressful, but it's done. And that's what I came here to do, guys. I came here to ride those roads, but holy, look where we are now. I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. I'll see you in the next one.